Hey there creators, welcome back to AI Products Review. Today we're visiting the exciting world of Getimg AI, a powerful tool that's making a revolution in image generation using the magic of artificial intelligence.
Neat! Wow! How do you do that?
Magic.
Getimg AI opens up a world of possibilities for digital artists and designers by making it easy to create stunning and realistic images. But before we start, I've got a special treat for all of you. Are you ready? Below, you'll find the link to your free access where you can experience the magic of Getimg AI firsthand. This AI tool isn't just about generating images, it also enables you to create custom AI models and bring your unique artistic vision to life. Now, let's start by understanding what Getimg AI is all about. This tool offers over 20 community-trained models, allowing you to apply different styles to your visuals without any effort. It's a user-friendly platform equipped with an AI image generator that lets you create, edit, and expand images beyond their original boundaries, and it's likely it will become your best friend. Wondering how this magic works? Let's take a peek behind the scenes. Getimg AI leverages machine learning and AI algorithms to automatically recognize and understand elements within an image, such as objects, faces, colors, and textures. It doesn't matter if it's image enhancement, noise reduction, object recognition, or even removing unwanted elements. This AI helps you create amazing visuals. And the best part, it does it all incredibly fast, generating images in just 6 to 10 seconds. Sorry, but there's no time for a coffee break here. Now, let's see some of the fantastic features of Getimg AI has to offer. Access over 20 community-trained models or train your own custom AI models, infusing your unique style into the image generation process. Getimg AI's interface is intuitive, it has simple prompts that lead to excellent results. The clean parameter options and guidance make it easy to create, edit, and expand images just the way you want it. Let your creativity run wild. You can create a wide range of artistic compositions with simple prompts and instructions. It doesn't matter if you're combining different art styles or filling out your vision, the AI brings your ideas to life. And if you need visuals for social media, Getimg AI makes it easy to produce images that represent your brand's unique style. The advanced editor lets you modify details or entire visual features of any picture without any effort. You can adjust color, brightness, contrast, and even generate missing parts of photos with the in-painting feature, and also create large-scale images. If you want simple editing and exporting and to save time on post-production and boost your creative output, this is your number one. And here's the big news. All images and content generated with Getimg AI are commercially viable under the Creative ML Open Rail M license. In simple language, this means you can use them for commercial projects, opening up endless possibilities for earning and growth. Plus, Getimg AI credit system rewards creators. By referring friends or followers, you can earn additional credits. Now, how cool is that? Now, I'm going to walk you through the steps to get started and create your own incredible images. First things first, click the link below and then find the Get Started button to begin your journey. Enter your email and create a password for your account. Once you're in, explore the dashboard, get to know the features and the options available. Now, ready to create your masterpiece? Click Start New Project. Name your project and choose the type of content you want to generate. This is the exciting part. Input your instructions or descriptions for the image you want to create. Write as many details as you like. Now hit generate, and this is where the magic happens. Getimg AI will create an image based on your description. If needed, you can further edit and refine the image using the built-in tools. Once you're happy with it, just save it and export the image in the format you want. And there you have it. You have successfully created a breathtaking image. Well, to sum it all up, Getimg AI is a remarkable tool that enables you to create stunning visuals easily. Its unique ability to generate images using text prompts opens up a world of creative possibilities. It doesn't matter if you're an artist or a designer. Getimg AI's intuitive interface, powerful tools, and affordability makes it a worthy resource. So, if you want to experience and get amazing results in your photos, feel free to use our link below for a free trial. Well, thanks for tuning in today, and as always, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and if you found this information valuable, share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating and keep innovating. Bye!